Hello and welcome to Penrith. I couldn't be more central today. We're at the New Squares today looking at our second floor apartment, which is just up here. Absolutely immaculate inside, but what is the real selling point for me? The apartment you're ready to move straight into. You don't have to do anything to that, but you're right in the heart of the town. You're right in the shops, restaurants, right there. You've got your own parking space as well. Brilliant. So let's flip this round. I'll show you exactly where we are and then we'll take you in. This is your street scene. You couldn't be more central for Penrith. And the apartment is just in this block here. Okay, so in we go. And we've got like a luxury hotel vibe in all the communal areas here. So it's a really cool place. We come in and we've got this great sized entrance hallway. Bags and bags of storage there. And then we come into this huge living room. And this has got the breakfast bar and the kitchen in it. So a nice modern kitchen, plenty of storage. Breakfast bar's a really good addition. It makes the whole place like a hub, doesn't it? So you've got all the action taking place in here. And if you're into people watching, absolute people watcher's paradise. You've got these windows that look straight down into the town. Okay, so back through. The next room we come to is this awesome sized double bedroom. And then along the hall, and the next bedroom we have, again, a nice big double bedroom. Built-in storage, and this one has got an ensuite shower room as well, which is very cool. So two really good sized bedrooms actually. And then we've got yet more storage here. And the final part of this puzzle is another bathroom. So two bedrooms, two bathrooms, and a superb living kitchen dining space. So lift access to all floors. And then we've got this awesome sun trap of a communal area. Right, so there we are. If you're looking for an amazing apartment right in the centre of town, then please give the Penrith office a call. And we are on 01768 88 11 11.